intelligence, sa planning, sa operations, sa extraction. Bakit ko tinatanong yan? Meron reward money. Meron nababanggit na mga drone. Meron chopper na dumating. Yung finger ni Marwan, yung index finger, dinala sa General Santos, binigay sa FBI, ni hindi pa nakunan ng litrato ng PNP. Ayon sa sabi-say kahapon. So anong, kung ba may kinalaman dito ang US government or FBI?
Hapon, tanghali, na nag-umaga yung Your Honor, nag-umpisa yung encounter. Then we were receiving reports na may mga casualties yung umaga na yun. I took the initiative na humingi ng tulong doon sa US forces based doon sa Zamboanga to provide us medical evacuation using their helicopter. Because we were then expecting in the afternoon, maggagabi na mai-withdraw yung mga sugatan na nandoon sa area. This is in connection with the ongoing, continued exercises that we have with the U.S. forces in the fight against terrorism. And they have their own protocol to provide medical evacuation sa mga na-involved na kapulisan natin in the operations against terrorism.
Did the FBI know beforehand about these operations?
Your Honor, I have no knowledge if the FBI know about this operation.
Or any U.S. Armed Forces personnel, did they know about this operation beforehand?
It was already during the time that we are receiving information and report that there was casualties that I requested our contact with the U.S. Armed Forces that if they could provide us medical evacuation.
So your non-disclosure to the U.S. personnel is part of your operational security work, aspect.
Yes, Your Honor.